Hello everyone, today I'm going to be swatching out the Hero Hues Reactive ink by Hero Arts. The whole reason why I started this swatch series is so that you guys can see which colors you like so you don't have to purchase all of them. I'm using the plug and place swatch system and I will leave a discount code down below if you are interested in swatching out your items just like I did. I like this swatch system because you can change it if you need to. I personally like to have everything in rainbow order, and so if I get a new ink or a new pen color and I have to add the swatch to the end of the list, I hate doing that, so this one is perfect for that. Here are the finished swatches, all cut out with their Velcro pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.